everyone. My name is Jamila and here's English with JeJe. Welcome to my class. This video is a real online class of mine. My student is basic and the book working is American English file. This session includes reading and writing skills. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm fine, thank you. I missed you. It's been a
Me
while.
too, me too.
Yeah, it's been a week. Yeah, I'm sorry I was busy and then you were busy.
Me too, me too.
Yeah,
Same
that's okay.
Yeah.
Everything
Yeah.
okay?
Yes, okay.
Okay, thank God. So let's go to our book. To which page did we cover? Do you remember? 30?
Yeah.
Okay, so here, right? 5B. We have a text here. Please read this text. Marco from Rio in Brazil.
Marco from Rio in Brazil. I have a simple breakfast at home. I have bread, fruit, and coffee with milk. I usually have orange juice too. That's a very typical Brazilian breakfast. I love it.
Very good. What's the meaning of typical, you know?
No. Yes.
Uh-huh.
Yes.
What does it mean, typical? Does it mean usual? Yes?
Usual.
Usual.
Yeah.
Typical, usual,
Yeah.
or normal. Excellent.
Mhm.
Now, look at picture 2. This one. What do you see here?
Eggs.
Uh-huh. Very good. Eggs.
Potatoes.
Uh-huh. Potatoes.
Hot chocolate. I
Uh-huh.
think.
Excellent. Yeah, it's hot chocolate. Is it breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
This is, I think, the breakfast.
Uh-huh. Breakfast. Okay.
Yeah.
So we have 3 meals: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And also some people take another meal. They mix breakfast and lunch together. And they call it brunch.
Brunch.
BR from breakfast and UNCH from lunch. It is a late breakfast and a little full, like this. This can be a brunch, okay?
Yeah.
It is a little full. And next picture. So what do you see here? It looks like Korean food, right?
Yes.
What do you see here?
Rice.
Very good. Rice.
Grilled fish.
All right. What else? What do you think this one is? What's this?
Maybe chai. I don't know.
Yeah, very good. Herbal tea, like chamomile. Also, anything with drink is called beverage. What is your favorite beverage? For example, my favorite beverage is orange juice. And what do you think this one is?
Maybe soup.
It's soup, but there's nothing. Good job. And what are these two?
I don't know.
They're called chopsticks.
Chopsticks.
Yeah, they're called chopsticks. Do you think it's easy to work with chopsticks or it's hard?
Hard.
It's hard. So hard.
Yes, so hard.
Good job. Okay, now please read.
My parents have a traditional Korean breakfast at home. It isn't very different. Breakfast.
Yeah.
Different from lunch and dinner. They have fish, rice, and soup. They also have kimchi. It's a kind of spicy vegetable.
Mhm.
They also drink Korean tea. What
Mhm.
do I have for breakfast? I'm very busy. I eat in a cafe,
Cafe. Cafe.
cafe, cafe,
Mhm.
in a cafe. I have coffee and a croissant.
Mhm.
Then I run to the bus.
Good job. There's just one new word, traditional. You know, traditional, opposite of new, means old. Traditional means
New,
old.
all, uh-huh.
Today we'll learn many new words. Try to use them in sentences. Here we have a questioner. Look at the word questioner. Questioner means a piece of paper with many questions, like interview. So it's a food questioner. We want to talk about the food in our country, okay? But as we don't have much time, try to fill this food questioner for next session and
Mhm.
ask 2 people. And yeah, for next session, we have posting a comment, talks about your typical breakfast. Thank you for learning English with JeJe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be the first one who watches my videos. And don't forget, write your comments down below. I will read them and apply them in my future classes. See you around.